In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 things not to do with black cherries. While black cherries are delicious and nutritious, you should know some important things about handling them. So let's dive in. First, never ignore allergies. If you even suspect that you or someone you know might be allergic to black cherries, it's best to avoid them altogether. Second, never eat overripe or spoiled black cherries. The taste is compromised, and they could potentially make you ill. Third, never leave your black cherries out in the sun. It might seem like a good idea, but direct sunlight can cause them to spoil faster. Fourth, resist the urge to wash your black cherries before you're ready to eat them. Moisture accelerates spoilage, so wait until just before you're going to enjoy them. Fifth, don't expose your black cherries to open air for extended periods. This can increase the risk of contamination, so store them properly when not in use. Sixth, never overcook your black cherries. It might seem like a good idea to soften them up, but it can ruin their flavor and texture. Seventh, avoid pairing black cherries with incompatible flavors. These little gems have a unique sweet and tart profile that deserves to be complemented, not overshadowed. Eighth, never freeze black cherries without proper preparation. It can affect their taste and texture, so take the time to do it right. Ninth, never, and we mean never, consume the pits. They contain cyanide and can be harmful if ingested. And finally, 10th, don't use black cherries past their prime. It's a loss of flavor and nutrients that just isn't worth it. So there you have it. 10 things to avoid when dealing with black cherries. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to enjoying these delightful fruits at their very best. Remember, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cherry picking.